Welcome and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV. Let's talk. So recently I came across this video with two police officers basically having a confrontation as it relates to an individual looking suspicious in a yard. Now we're gonna divulge this video with you, and when we return we'll just have something to say afterwards. So let's go over to that right now.
Right, this is Constable. Let's speak to Constable that.
Yeah.
What? Don't do that, young man.
No, what are you saying?
No, me attempt to go. Police.
No, man, you can't video. Video it. What you are saying? Video it, Jay.
Right, the reason why the police is on the premises.
Yeah.
And the members of the jury.
Video everything.
The member would have seen some suspicious movement. Seeing this young man moving to the side of the house.
Yeah.
Hence,
This is my son.
yes. This
17-year-old.
This is the reason for being on
My
the
premises.
Yes.
No suspicious. What was your suspicion then?
The
What exactly?
The soldier
Uh-huh.
would have seen this man, young man,
Uh-huh.
stepped out and moved back in.
See there? Wrong person. Anyway.
Hence, Sergeant.
Anyway, may I ask you to leave my premises?
We have no problem. with this.
Okay, I'm want to do it now. My children them, police for 20 odd years. You understand? Senior you.
Yes.
You understand? I don't have no right to my premises. What kind of suspicious move he man move and go there, son? No man. Anyway, I don't know who me is now. So you can step out and go on the merry way.
But for your
Leave
police.
on my premises unlawful.
What me I say? For your police.
Alright, Constable. What your name, Constable what?
Constable died.
Sorry, excuse me. I don't go through again.
Come on, Frank.
Yeah, man, come on, come here. I'm his children, them, they in the class.
For your police.
Thank you. Have a good day. And next time you come here now, alright, don't walk in from my premises. For the whole town. What kind of suspicious movements? Let him until them go home.
Well, that was the video that made rounds on social media after a police officer allegedly stated that he saw someone over that compound looking a bit suspicious and then sought to investigate the matter some more. However, it was actually a police officer's house that he went to, and the police officer basically put them in them place, as many would say. What is your take about the whole matter? Do you believe that that police officer dealt with the situation professionally, or could it have dealt with in a different manner? As you know, from time to time, citizens and the local authorities clash as it relates to certain things that they do to citizens at times. A number of times we've seen it playing out on social media in which the police act above their jurisdictions or their duties, and most of the time people will get hurt based on how the system or the actual action of the police triggered them to resort to certain violent acts at times. However, in this situation, I believe that that police officer, he dealt with the situation properly, and he actually asked them to leave his premises immediately, which they did. So they basically listened to what he had asked them or requested them to do, which was very good as well. It was very good that they did not put up any resistance, because at one point in time it seemed as if they realized that they were in the wrong and they might have made a real serious mistake in coming over to that property. So they were asked to vacate the property, and they did, and they actually was told by the police officer that whenever they are returning, that they should knock before they enter the premises. Alright, just tell me how you feel about this video in the comment section though. I look forward to hear your response. Links TV, peace out, bless.